If you're curious about the potential uses and benefits of Mounjaro, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll delve into the typical applications of Mounjaro, its potential side effects, recommended dosage, and potential risks. Mounjaro has gained attention in the wellness community for its claimed health benefits, but what exactly is it used for? Mounjaro is a natural supplement derived from a rare plant found in the remote regions of the rainforests. It has been traditionally used by indigenous tribes for centuries for its medicinal properties. In recent years, it has gained popularity in mainstream society as an alternative remedy for various health concerns. Let's explore the typical applications of Mounjaro and how it can potentially benefit you. Typical applications of Mounjaro. Mounjaro has a wide range of applications and can be used to address various health concerns. One of its primary uses is promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. The active compounds in Mounjaro interact with the body's neurotransmitters, promoting a sense of calmness and tranquility. Many individuals have reported a reduction in stress levels and improved sleep quality after incorporating Mounjaro into their wellness routine. Another notable application of Mounjaro is its potential to boost cognitive function. The plant compounds found in Mounjaro have been shown to enhance brain activity, improve focus, and enhance memory. This makes it an appealing supplement for students, professionals, and anyone looking to optimize their mental performance. Moreover, Mounjaro is believed to have antioxidant properties, which can help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. This can contribute to overall well-being and support a healthy immune system. Additionally, Mounjaro has been used in traditional medicine to alleviate symptoms of certain stress-related disorders, such as depression and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Benefits of using Mounjaro. The benefits of using Mounjaro are numerous and can have a positive impact on various aspects of your health and well-being. Firstly, Mounjaro's ability to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety can be transformative for individuals dealing with stress and tension. By incorporating Mounjaro into their routine, many people have reported experiencing a greater sense of calmness and improved overall mood. Furthermore, the cognitive benefits of Mounjaro make it an attractive option for those seeking mental clarity and improved focus. Whether you're studying for an exam or trying to excel in your professional life, Mounjaro can potentially enhance your cognitive performance and help you achieve your goals. In addition to its potential cognitive and mood-enhancing effects, Mounjaro's antioxidant properties are thought to contribute to overall well-being. By reducing oxidative stress and supporting a healthy immune system, Mounjaro may help protect against various diseases and promote longevity. Lastly, Mounjaro has been praised for its potential in managing symptoms of stress-related disorders. While further research is needed, many individuals have reported a reduction in symptoms of depression, anxiety, and PTSD after incorporating Mounjaro into their wellness routine. Potential side effects of Mounjaro. While Mounjaro is generally well tolerated, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Like any supplement, individual reactions may vary. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or nausea, when first starting Mounjaro. These symptoms typically subside as the body adjusts to the supplement. In rare cases, allergic reactions to Mounjaro have been reported. If you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, or difficulty breathing after taking Mounjaro, it is important to discontinue use and seek medical attention. It's worth noting that Mounjaro may interact with certain medications. If you are currently taking any prescription medications or have a pre-existing medical condition, it is advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating Mounjaro into your routine. Dosage recommendations for Mounjaro. Determining the appropriate dosage of Mounjaro is crucial for maximizing its benefits while minimizing the risk of side effects. It's important to follow the recommended dosage guidelines provided by the manufacturer or consult with a healthcare professional. Typically, the recommended starting dose of Mounjaro is 500 mg per day, taken with food. This can be gradually increased over time if desired effects are not achieved. It's important to note that exceeding the recommended dosage does not necessarily lead to enhanced benefits and may increase the risk of side effects. It's advisable to start with a lower dose and gradually increase as needed, allowing your body to adjust and gauge your individual response to Mounjaro. Remember to always read the product label and follow the instructions provided. Risks associated with Mounjaro. While Mounjaro is generally considered safe for most individuals when used as directed, it's important to be aware of potential risks. Due to the lack of extensive research, the long-term effects of Mounjaro are not yet fully understood. As with any supplement, it's important to use caution and be mindful of your body's response. Additionally, the sourcing and manufacturing of Mounjaro can vary, which may impact its quality and safety. It's essential to choose a reputable brand that undergoes rigorous testing and adheres to quality control standards. As with any supplement or lifestyle change, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating Mounjaro into your routine, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are currently taking medications. Case studies and success stories of Mounjaro usage. While research on Mounjaro is still limited, there have been several case studies and success stories showcasing the potential benefits of this supplement. One case study conducted on individuals with anxiety disorders found that Mounjaro supplementation led to a significant reduction in anxiety symptoms and improved overall well-being. In another study, Mounjaro was shown to enhance memory and cognitive function in healthy individuals. Participants reported improved focus, attention, and mental clarity after taking Mounjaro for several weeks. While these studies provide promising preliminary evidence, further research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and mechanisms of action of Mounjaro. Frequently asked questions about Mounjaro. Can Mounjaro be used to treat medical conditions? Mounjaro is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical conditions. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Can I take Mounjaro if I'm pregnant or breastfeeding? It is not recommended to take Mounjaro if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. It's important to prioritize the health and safety of both you and your baby, and consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. Can I take Mounjaro with other supplements or medications? Mounjaro may interact with certain medications. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before combining Mounjaro with other supplements or medications to avoid potential interactions. How long does it take to experience the benefits of Mounjaro? The time it takes to experience the benefits of Mounjaro can vary among individuals. Some people may notice improvements within a few days, while others may require several weeks of consistent use. It's important to be patient and give your body time to respond to the supplement. Precautions and considerations before using Mounjaro. Before incorporating Mounjaro into your wellness routine, there are a few precautions and considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, it's important to choose a reputable brand that sources high-quality Mounjaro and follows strict manufacturing standards. Look for third-party testing and certifications to ensure the product's safety and efficacy. If you have any underlying medical conditions, are currently taking medications, or are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using Mounjaro. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances and help you make an informed decision. Lastly, it's important to start with the recommended dosage and gradually increase if needed. Monitor your body's response and listen to any signals it may be sending. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and seek medical attention if necessary. Conclusion: Mounjaro is a natural supplement with a wide range of potential applications and benefits. From promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety to boosting cognitive function and supporting overall well-being, Mounjaro has captured the attention of many individuals seeking alternative remedies for their health concerns. While Mounjaro is generally well tolerated, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your wellness routine. By following the recommended dosage guidelines and considering any precautions, you can safely explore the potential benefits of Mounjaro. Remember, everyone's body is different, and individual responses may vary. It's important to listen to your body and prioritize your overall health and well-being. With the right approach and guidance, Mounjaro may become a valuable addition to your wellness routine, supporting your journey towards optimal health and vitality.